Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the default search engine to Google in the Brave browser. Let's go ahead and get started. So first, open up your Brave browser on your PC. Now, look in the upper right corner and click on the three horizontal lines or the three-dot menu, depending on your version. From here, go down and click on Settings. Once you're inside Settings, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Search Engine. Under this section, you'll see an option that says Search Engine Used in the Address Bar. Click the drop-down next to it. You'll see a list of available search engines like Brave, Bing, DuckDuckGo, and Google. Go ahead and select Google from the list. That's it. Now, whenever you type anything into the address bar, Brave will use Google to search instead of the default Brave search. If Google doesn't appear in the list for some reason, you can also add it manually. Just click on Manage Search Engines. Then click Add next to Site Search. You can enter Name, Google keyword, google.com, URL, https, www.google.com, search, qpopy%, s-click Add, and then click the three dots next to it and choose Make Default. And now your Brave browser is all set to use Google as your main search engine. I hope this helped you out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss a tech tip. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. See you in the next one.